Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, let's start off by force restarting our tablet. It can fix a lot of touchscreen issues. So let's hold the power button. Don't mind the Gemini popping up. Now hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time for more than 8 seconds. And now we can let go of the keys after we feel a little vibration. So now all we gotta do is wait for the tablet to restart, so I'll see you guys then. So now after force restarting our device, what we can do is remove any screen protector or case because it can cause interference with the touchscreen. So as you guys can see, I've got my case right here. Basically, when you have a case, let me just open it and show it to you guys. Basically, when we have a case, then these little things here can be just too long at the top and they can cause interference with the touchscreen that can become unresponsive. So we need to make sure that we buy the best case. This case is perfect because it's exactly made by Lenovo for the tablet. So I know that there's no issues with it. So if you guys have one like that, then you guys can use it freely. But if you have a poorly placed screen protector on your tablet, then that also might be the issue. Because when it's misaligned, let's say at the top here, and it goes a little bit off the edge here, then that might cause the issue right here. So we need to make sure that our screen protector is placed very well and that the case is not causing the interference with the touchscreen. So now if you tried it and it didn't work, you guys can take your microfiber cloth if you have one and clean the screen. I recommend using only the microfiber cloth as it can easily remove any debris, lint, and much more like fingerprints from your screen. So just give it a few wipes. Don't go too hard on the device though. Keep it smooth and easy. Just like that, and now our device should already look better. So now what we can do is try and update our system up. So let me show you guys. Let's go over to the settings. Now here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the About tablet, and here we can update our software. So go to System Update. Now it will check for updates automatically, and if you have the latest version just like me, then that's good. But if you don't, then it also might cause the issues with the touchscreen, and it's probably fixed in the latest updates. So make sure that you have the latest version all the time. And if it still is not working, then go over to General Settings, and here you go to Reset Options. Now from these reset options, you can choose to erase all data as a factory reset. But before you do that, you need to go over to Backup, and here backup your device. As you guys can see, I'm not even signed into the tablet as it was factory resetted once. So you guys are probably signed in to your Google account. Here you'll be able to back up your device easily. Just enable the backups by Google now. And after that, go to Reset Options. Now click Erase All Data and click it one more time. It will delete everything, your downloaded apps, personal information, and much more. So make sure to back it all up so we don't lose anything. And if even the factory reset did not help you, then the last resort is to go to the Lenovo customer support and explain the situation to them, why your touchscreen is not responding. If you don't know how, then just simply tell them that it's not responding, and they should take care of it. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a comment, subscription, and a like. See you next time.